What happens when war is no longer fought by humans? When battlefields are dominated by machines that don't tire, don't hesitate, and don't question orders? By 2030, China could deploy an army where 50% of the soldiers aren't even human. Not in some distant sci-fi future, but in reality. In today's video, we're diving deep into China's next-gen robot army, the terrifying technology behind it, and how it could change warfare forever. War has always been a race for the sharpest sword, the fastest tank, the deadliest missile. But now, the race isn't just about firepower, it's about intelligence. And not human intelligence, artificial intelligence. For centuries, warfare evolved at the pace of human innovation. The Industrial Revolution brought mechanized warfare. The digital age introduced smart weapons. But today, we're entering a new frontier. Intelligentized warfare, where AI doesn't just assist soldiers, it replaces them. And leading this revolution is China. The world's most powerful militaries have been integrating AI for years, but China is moving at breakneck speed. The US has invested billions into AI for reconnaissance, autonomous drones, and cybersecurity. Russia, too, has made strides in AI-driven missile systems and robotic combat vehicles. But China? China is betting bigger than anyone. It's not just adding AI to its arsenal, it's rewriting the rulebook of war. The Chinese military, the People's Liberation Army, PLA, has been pouring resources into AI research, autonomous systems, and robotics, shifting its entire military doctrine toward what it calls intelligentized warfare. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. And it's happening at an alarming pace. China's strategy is bold. Instead of relying on traditional military strength, it's creating an ecosystem where AI and automation dictate combat strategies, logistics, and even decision-making. A future where AI-powered fighter jets can outmaneuver human pilots, where drone swarms replace battalions, and where robotic warships patrol the seas. No human crew required. And if you think this is some distant future, think again. China is already testing AI-powered submarines, robotic dogs mounted with rifles, and swarms of intelligent drones capable of overwhelming enemy defenses. The PLA is working on AI command systems that can analyze battlefields in real time, predict enemy movements, and coordinate attacks with machine precision. The numbers are staggering. By 2035, China plans to invest over $1.6 trillion into AI and robotics. That's more than the entire GDP of most countries. The scale of investment is beyond anything the US or Russia has committed. And here's the real kicker. China's state-controlled AI sector allows it to integrate civilian AI advancements directly into military applications, blurring the line between commercial innovation and defense technology. The result? Faster development, quicker deployment, and a seamless transition from research labs to the battlefield. This is what makes China's AI military program so dangerous. The US has strict ethical guidelines and bureaucratic roadblocks that slow down AI weaponization. Russia, while aggressive, lacks China's industrial scale and economic power. But China has none of these limitations. With government-backed AI firms, military-civil fusion policies, and a clear national directive, it's creating an autonomous war machine unlike anything the world has ever seen. Imagine a battlefield where 10,000 autonomous robots are all working together. Drone swarms, robotic tanks, automated infantry units, all in perfect sync, responding to real-time orders with surgical precision. It sounds like science fiction, but thanks to China's latest military-grade 5G system, this is becoming reality. For years, we've been hearing about the potential of 5G technology, faster internet speeds, better connectivity, and seamless streaming. But China's military has taken it to an entirely new level, developing the world's first military 5G network that's designed specifically for combat zones. And this isn't just a faster way to send text messages. This is the backbone of a new era of warfare. The significance of this system can't be overstated. traditional communication systems in the military rely on human-controlled networks that often struggle to keep up with the rapid pace of modern combat. But with military-grade 5G, China can now coordinate thousands of autonomous robots in real time, something that's never been possible before. These machines, everything from drones to robot soldiers, can instantly communicate with each other, making split-second decisions based on battlefield conditions, without needing human intervention. In a recent test, China demonstrated a 5G system that could connect up to 10,000 robotic units within a 3-kilometer battlefield. That's right, 10,000. These robots can communicate without lag, share vital information, and execute complex tasks with precision. A drone could identify a target, relay that information to a ground robot, and then work with a swarm of other drones to neutralize the threat, all in the blink of an eye. For military leaders, this kind of coordination could completely change the way wars are fought. The real kicker is the technology's ability to handle a wide range of environments and operational conditions. Imagine being in a dense jungle or in an urban environment filled with buildings and electronic interference. Regular networks would struggle to maintain a signal in such areas. But China's military-grade 5G network is different. It's designed to stay connected, even under extreme conditions, ensuring that autonomous units can maintain constant communication, no matter where they are or what challenges they face. Now, you might be wondering why this is such a big deal. Well, the answer lies in the speed and efficiency that 5G offers. Traditional armies are built around human soldiers who rely on slower communication methods. Radio transmissions, satellite links, and even manual hand signals. These systems simply aren't fast enough to keep up with the speed of modern warfare. But with 5G, these robotic units can make decisions instantly, working together like a well-oiled machine. This means faster reaction times, fewer mistakes, and more effective missions. The days of waiting for a human to make a decision in the heat of battle could soon be over. Furthermore, 5G technology opens the door for even more advanced applications, like real-time AI-powered decision-making. Imagine AI algorithms analyzing thousands of pieces of data in real time, like enemy movements, environmental changes, and tactical decisions, and then passing that information along to every robot in the network, instantly adjusting strategies and actions. The result is a battlefield where autonomous systems think and act as one, making the human operator almost obsolete. But it's not just about the robots. This 5G system also strengthens China's entire military infrastructure. It's the perfect complement to the growing fleet of autonomous vehicles, drones, and AI-driven weapon systems that China is developing. These machines can't operate without a reliable network to support them, and China's 5G system provides just that. In a future where war may not involve human soldiers in the traditional sense, China's cutting-edge AI-powered combat machines are setting the stage for a radical transformation of modern warfare. With everything from robotic soldiers to AI-driven fighter jets and autonomous warships, China is rapidly developing an unmanned arsenal that could change the course of global conflict. The key to this ambitious leap forward? A seamless blend of artificial intelligence, robotics, and military strategy designed to give China an edge in the race for military dominance. One of the most striking innovations in China's unmanned arsenal is the QUGV Wolf. This robotic wolf is not just another piece of military technology. It's a fully equipped AI-powered machine capable of performing complex combat and support tasks. With a lightweight quadrupedal design, the QUGV Wolf can navigate rough, uneven terrain that would typically challenge traditional ground vehicles. Equipped with night vision, this robot can operate under low-visibility conditions, making it a versatile unit for nighttime operations. What's more, its AI-assisted target acquisition system allows it to identify and engage targets with high precision, a feature that makes it a formidable adversary on the battlefield. Its ability to perform reconnaissance, carry supplies, and work in tandem with other robots hints at a future where ground combat could be carried out without any human soldiers in sight. As China continues to refine these robot soldiers, it's clear that this technology could soon replace human infantry in combat zones, reducing casualties and reshaping battlefield strategies. But the QUGV Wolf is just one piece of the puzzle. In the sky, China is developing a new breed of drone swarms that could be the next frontier in aerial warfare. These AI-controlled drones are capable of executing coordinated attacks, providing surveillance, and even engaging in electronic warfare, all in perfect harmony with one another. The sheer scale of these drone swarms is mind-boggling, with over 1,000 drones working together in a synchronized effort. These swarms are equipped with autonomous navigation and decision-making abilities, which allow them to react to changes in the battlefield in real time. China has already demonstrated the power of this technology in live-fire exercises, where the drones performed complex maneuvers and outpaced traditional defense systems. These exercises revealed just how effective drone swarms can be in overwhelming enemy defenses. The PLA's anti-aircraft artillery, for example, struggled to shoot down the drones, achieving a mere 40% success rate. This shows that traditional countermeasures are increasingly inadequate when facing the speed, coordination, and unpredictability of AI-driven drone swarms. As impressive as ground robots and drones are, China is also pushing the boundaries in the realm of aviation and naval warfare. The J-20 stealth fighter, known as the Mighty Dragon, is undergoing significant upgrades to integrate AI-powered systems. The goal is to eventually achieve fully autonomous operation, where the fighter jet could fly, engage targets, and make tactical decisions without any human intervention. These advancements aren't just about automating processes, they're about creating a new paradigm for aerial combat. The ability to deploy drone swarms alongside human pilots, or even entirely replace them, gives China a powerful strategic tool. When paired with AI, the J-20 can process vast amounts of data to identify targets, assess risks, and execute maneuvers faster than a human pilot ever could. This represents a dramatic leap forward in the capabilities of fighter jets, moving beyond human limitations and opening up new possibilities for rapid, high-risk missions. In the maritime domain, China is developing autonomous warships that could revolutionize naval combat. These AI-powered vessels can operate without a crew, allowing for more efficient and cost-effective operations. They're designed to carry out missions that would typically require human oversight, such as reconnaissance, surveillance, and even combat operations. Equipped with AI-assisted targeting systems, these ships can identify enemy threats and engage targets with pinpoint accuracy. The development of autonomous warships also offers a significant advantage in terms of endurance, as these vessels can remain on missions for extended periods without the need for human crews to rest or rotate. The ability to deploy such ships could give China a strategic advantage in maritime conflicts, where the speed and efficiency of AI-controlled units could outmatch traditional naval fleets. The integration of AI into these various platforms, robot soldiers, drone swarms, fighter jets, and naval units, signals a shift in the nature of warfare itself. No longer will battles be fought primarily by human soldiers, who are limited by physical and mental constraints. Instead, the battlefield of the future will be dominated by machines that can think, react, and act faster and more precisely than humans ever could. This AI-powered approach not only enhances the effectiveness of combat units, but also minimizes the risks to human lives, as these machines take on the dangerous tasks that would traditionally require human soldiers.